All right, so the fun never ends. Here I am again with this Tec Paragon 2. I got the display working as you saw in the last video, and I checked the transmit on this thing, and I did get some power out of it finally. And I thought, well, okay, it is transmitting. It's supposed to put out 100 watts. It doesn't put out 100 watts. It might put out 50 or 60 here and there. And so I'm putting this thing together, right? And I hear something shaking in the radio, and I thought, oh, I dropped the screw in the radio. So I'm shaking the radio, trying to find it. And I thought, you know what? That damn noise is coming from probably something in the final here. And sure enough, so to get this final off is a huge headache. First of all, I had to take the case screws out, take off the RS-232 card to get to the screws that hold the aluminum cover onto the final cage. So I finally get that all taken apart, and here we are. So ta-da, I'm looking in here, and what do you know? Whoa, 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 whoa. I have definite issues with lighting around here. So yeah, I'm looking in here, what could be wrong? And there is a little piece in here roaming around. Let's see what it is. It looks like a resistor or something. So yeah, that's the rattling thing. So you can see a little chunk of something down there. Let's see what it is. There it is. There's the part. Looks like it has writing on it. Looks like a connector or something. Anyway, I figured that can't be good to be rattling around in this thing and to be operating the transmitter with that part in there rattling around and cause a short circuit, right? So anyway, it was about half an hour to get this thing all apart, to find that part in there, and I don't know what it is yet. Let's find it. So here, this screwdriver is magnetic. Let's see if I can pick it up. Here we go. Where's that part? Anyway, yeah, it's in there. What a pain. Come on. Is it magnetic? Nope, it's not. It's either aluminum or who knows what. So how am I going to get this thing out of here? I guess I could dump it out. I wonder if I can get out with these scissors here. You have to hack around. These might get it out. Something long to pull this part out of here. Whatever it is. Of course, now it's kind of hiding in the corner. There it is. It's probably something that melted off the circuit board. Who knows what it is? Something that melted off. The first thing is to get it out. There it is. Let's see what it is. So what is this little thing here? Okay, well anyway, now there's something in the radio rattling around, so that makes me happier. This thing was conductive, so I'm not sure what this little dude is. It looks like it's a, oh, whoa, whoa. Pain in the neck what it is. It looks like it's part of a connector or something. All right, the examination room, the mystery part. What is this thing? Let's lay it like that. And see what it is. Is there a thread in it? No threads in it. Is it an insulator? A cap? It looks like it went on to something, like a cap or something. I got lots of light on this thing and I still can't really see it. It's so small. And well, anyway, it doesn't look conductive, but I was a little worried about this thing rattling around in my finals. With the solid state finals, it looks like it might be a cap to something. I don't think I want to pull the whole thing apart to figure out where this went or what it is. But I wonder if it's critical to my power output. Don't know. Hard to say what it is. Okay, it's got rating on it. It's a blown up capacitor. Holy crap. Okay, so this is interesting now. It's a blown up capacitor. Yeah. So a capacitor blew. So it blew up. It just flew off of it. It flew apart. Well, that might affect things in there, huh? It was a 16 UF 25 volt capacitor that blew its top off. That's interesting. Well, okay, now we know what that is. It exploded, so the rest of it's in there. So we could look at the schematic and try and figure out what that was. So now do I want to take this whole thing apart and figure out what that was and replace it? I don't know. Didn't really want to go into this thing, but you don't really want to fix anything, right? If you don't have to. So how does this look in here? It looks dirty, grungy. There's one of the transistors. Is it a driver or is it a final? I don't know. Boy, that's nasty in there. Yeah, I think this has to come apart. It looks like... Okay, there's the driver. There's the finals there. Holy crap. Okay, look at that. There's another one sitting there. This is the radio from hell. You know that? Radio from hell. I wonder if lightning got it. It transmits still somewhat. But there's another capacitor there that blew up. Yeah, the guy I bought this from, I was really mad at the guy. I thought, you sold me a pile of crap radio here. Doesn't transmit. I finally got it to put out some power, but now I know why it's crapped out. It just looks like it's self-destructed, and it looks like somebody has poured puke in this thing. Holy crap. Good old eBay. Well, anyway. This thing does receive now. And maybe I'll get to transmit decently ever. But boy, what a mess this thing is. Alright, well, beware about eBay. This thing was bought parts only, and I told the guy, well, you said it transmit, and it doesn't transmit. And I said, you said it received. It receives partially. And I said, people have been pawing through this thing, screwing all around with it, and sure enough, it's all screwed up. So the guy was a decent seller in that he did understand that I was about to leave some really nasty feedback about this thing. And so the sale did work out to where it was an agreeable price point, where this thing is not making me so unhappy now that it's all screwed up. But that's half the fun of ham radio, I guess. You buy something and you fix it. So I like fixing things, but I don't like to be misled on things that I buy. People say they're working and they don't work. That's kind of a shame. But anyway, this thing is coming alive again. There aren't many of these Paragons around. There is some guy selling one on eBay for $700, and it doesn't even light up. So that would be scary. I would never buy that. Now that I've got this one and it's been a bag of tricks, I'm not sure I would buy another one off of eBay anyway. All right, well, this Paragon may come back to life. It does transmit now somewhat, but it looks like I'm transmitting in great peril here because there's lots of rickety bad blown up capacitors in here, and other dog hair, vomit. I don't know what's in this thing. All right, anyway, I hope this entertained you at least. It has not entertained me. Taking this apart. I didn't know what I was getting into today. I thought, oh yeah, I'll fix the display, and I can't even find this little jumper here that I lost. There's a jumper that goes right here to jump the display to dim and bright, and it's called, I think, BB or something. I don't know where I put it. I thought maybe that thing was, I dropped it in the radio and had it rattling around. It didn't, I shook the radio, couldn't find it. And then I thought, you know, there's probably something rattling around in here. And sure enough, there is. There's more problems in here than I want. So can I get the finals off now? Let's see. Well, they got it soldered on here. So you take that off. There's power wires going into it. So in theory, there should be like only a few wires in this thing, right? There should be power wires and an input wire, maybe an output wire for some kind of sensing. There's one here. I don't know. I might just put it back together and see how it goes, but no, I can't do that. Look at all that dog hair in there or something. Dog hair? Oh my God. I don't have an air compressor. I guess I could use some spray, take it outside and spray all this crap out of it. Well, that's a good reason why it doesn't work. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Again, this is a Paragon 2 that I guess was a converted Paragon 1 because it says Paragon 1 in the front. It says Paragon 2 in the back. It's got a funnel full of dog hair and vomit and whatever else is in here, blown up capacitors. It's been a fun day, folks. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please stay safe.